The all-new Surface Duo is announced by Microsoft and all the talks in the town are about this dual-screen foldable tech. But we are not convinced and I will tell you why. Hi, this is Sonin from FMJ Tech. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing it and turn on that notification bell to stay up to date with us. Without further delay, let's get into the topic. My first question is, did you already pre-order the Surface Duo? If not, I will say wait. You know why? Well, let's see. First of all, for us, this device looks like a piece of tech from last year because, surprisingly, when every other tech giants out there are trying to pack up their device with latest generation tech, Microsoft actually came out with a tech that's more than a year old. First thing first, the processor. Microsoft actually stayed with the processor from last year. Yes, the Snapdragon 855. I won't say it's a bad processor, it's still a very powerful processor. But when you charge $1,400 for a device that you say is for productivity and multitasking, you have to get it right, Microsoft, because every other flagships out there are far ahead in the game. Okay, let's move on to the battery. You all know it's a foldable dual screen phone. However, the battery is just 3600 mAh, not enough to even power a single screen device. Microsoft says it has an intelligent battery management system, but we doubt it. An 8.1-inch combined display phone built for productivity will definitely benefit from a bigger battery. Don't forget that the most recent Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has a 4500 mAh battery. Coming to the camera, it has only a single 11 megapixel camera. Well, not something that you would expect in this kind of device. Microsoft says they're meant for productivity and not for photography. Well, it's a major letdown for us. We had expected more from a $1,400 phone, at least to justify the price tag. Now, about the 5G capabilities. This is where it gets more interesting. A phone meant for productivity and business has no 5G capabilities in 2020. I'm not joking, it's true. I think they just put the Snapdragon 855 processor and never bothered to add the X50 modem and chips to make it 5G compatible. Add to all this, the Surface has no NFC, no wireless charging, wired fast charging is limited to 18 watts, and no high refresh rate screen. According to Microsoft, this device is more geared towards productivity, multitasking, and dual screen app experience. We know that Microsoft has many powerful apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc., and they will definitely make those apps to work with this device. This will give you a unique experience of two apps in two separate screens which can communicate with each other. But the question is that all we're gonna get? I'm talking about other apps and games. Are the developers really going to optimize their apps to work with device with fairly outdated specs? I doubt it. Finally, it's time to say who is it for? Well, that's a difficult question. Yes, it has very good multitasking capabilities. But the price tag of $1,400 is absolutely not justifiable. And to all power users, we will say wait. This is the first gen Microsoft foldable device and they could be perfecting the technology in the coming years. Also, don't forget that none of the recent foldable devices have really survived the market. So, spending $1,400 on a device with fairly outdated specs is not what we recommend right now. Well, of course, it's new, it's different. If you just want to experience that, you can order one. For us, it's a big no. So, what do you think about the all-new Microsoft Duo? Is it still a good device to spend $1,400 in 2020? Let us know in the comments below. And read more about the latest tech and tips, visit us at fmjtech.com. You can find the link in the description below. And that's all for now. See you guys in the next one.